Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to connect your Shopify store to your Instagram shop so you can start tagging products and making sales directly on Instagram. First, make sure your Instagram account is set up as a business or a creator profile. You can do this by going to your Instagram settings, tapping account, and then selecting switch to professional account. Choose either business or creator, depending on what fits your brand best. Next, you'll need to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page. On your Facebook page settings, navigate to the Instagram tab and log in with your Instagram account. This step links your Facebook and Instagram, which is required because Instagram shopping runs through Facebook Commerce Manager. Finally, select the product catalog you connected through Shopify. From now on, you can tag your Shopify products directly in your Instagram posts and stories, making it easier for your followers to shop your products without leaving Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tutorials to grow your online business.